Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an e-commerce website in Odoo. Want to create a fully functional e-commerce website using Odoo? Odoo's website builder and e-commerce model makes it easy to set up an online store. Now in this video, I'll show you how to create an e-commerce website in Odoo step by step. The first step is to install the website and e-commerce models. And to do that, just go to odoo.com and then click on Start Now. It's free if you don't have an account yet, but if you do, just log in using your account. Now after you click on this, click on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner. Let's wait for the website to appear. Now after you click on the three horizontal lines, choose apps right here and install websites and scroll down to websites and install websites and e-commerce models. And once installed, open the website models from the dashboard. As for the second step is to choose a website theme, and to do that just click on edit and select pre-designed theme or create your own and customize the header, color, fonts and layouts. Third step is to add products to your store, and to do that just go to website and then click on shop and then click on new products, and after that enter the product name, description and images and set inventory details like stock quantity, and in the end click publish to make your product live. As for the fourth step is to configure payment method and shipping methods, and to do that just go to websites, configuration and payment acquirers and add payment options like PayPal, Stripe or credit card, and enable shipping methods under sales by going to delivery methods. As for the fifth and final step, launch your e-commerce website by clicking on Go Live to publish your store and connect a custom domain under website settings and share your store's link to start getting customers. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you create an e-commerce website in Odoo. Now you can start selling products online with a professional, customizable store. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next